A lot of times, agents pick an area without effectively researching it. I want you to avoid that pitfall. Be the agent who knows exactly where to knock to meet their goals. In Module 2, I taught you the basics of choosing farming areas. You learned that an area's average market value or asset class is an important consideration. Another factor worth considering is proximity to your office. Now we are going to take it a step further. When you zoom in on an area, there are even more considerations. The following are some key considerations when choosing an area to farm. First, you want to look at an area's turnover rate. The turnover rate is how fast a listing turns into a sale, as well as how often homes in that area sell. When you choose an area, you want to make sure it's not a neighborhood where nobody's buying and selling. Check the numbers of homes bought and sold recently. If nobody's buying or selling, it's probably not worth your time. When I look at a neighborhood, I want to see how many houses have moved in the last 3 to 6 months. You want to knock where there are a lot of sales and where there's a steady turnover. You are onto something when you find a community with a steady supply of new listings and recently sold. This tells you something is going on. It is a desirable neighborhood and people are probably upgrading within that community. It might provide you with long-term clients as they move up the asset ladder within that same community. The bottom line is that you want to target somewhere with a good rate of turnover. Another consideration in neighborhoods are hills. This might not seem like much, but hills are an important profit consideration. This type of area always significantly outperforms other areas. Why is that? A key reason is that these homes don't get visited by other agents. It takes more effort to farm these areas. Most agents farm flat areas. This means hills have the advantage that everybody avoids them. When you do go there, you meet people who will tell you that they haven't been door knocked in over 20 years. In my game, the steeper a hill area, the quicker the turnover rate. On my map, I have an area with hills very, very steep. When I did the math, I realized that this area was the best sales turnover in my entire game. Whenever I got my appointments there, they quickly turned into listings and sold.